Hi, this is David with Paint Protection of Charlotte. Right here I have a 2017 911 Turbo S that's in for a full body wrap. It already has a full body wrap on it right now, but we're going to be removing that. I'm going to show you some areas on the car, just kind of outlining how the wrap looks now, what we're going to do different and why we do it different. First thing we're going to do is remove all the film that's on here, then we can start inspecting the paint, see where we're at. So as the guys start removing the old PPF wrap on here, just observing and looking over this car, I can't get my head around it, because whoever installed this wrap went to the effort of removing the door handles. They took the mirrors off the car. They took the inlets out. They took the headlights out. But then you come up close to areas like on the quarter panel, the film is not even close to the edge. You know, you come around here and it's got a jagged cut. You know, the film's cut short here. It's not even close on the door handles. The mirrors are, you know, you've got a good gap here. It's like they went to the effort of taking the car apart, but then the rest of the install looks like crap. And unfortunately, on a white colored car, it's going to accentuate them if you don't wrap the edges, because you get dirt edges, dirt lines. And white is the worst possible car to wrap. But there is so much more room for improvement in terms of getting closer or wrapping these edges where it's easy to wrap. So again, we're going to remove the wrap, take off the trim pieces that we need to, but this is a good observation of, if you don't know what a good install looks like, you can see this and know that I wouldn't want it on my car. So we'll point out these as we go along and show you how we're going to fix it. So if you can see this really inconsistent gap here, yes, this is a template, but even if with a template, this should be more a better install anyway, closer to the edges. But what we'll do is we'll take off the headlights, and then we'll alleviate this hard edge here, and then this film won't have an edge too, because it will be tucked into here. So just another observation when looking at installs. So we've removed the wrap that was already on the car. We've taken it off, cleaned all the paint. We've taken all the trim piece off that was necessary to give us the type of install that we set for this customer. We have people ask us, you know, why do you need to take the whole car apart? You know, there's a liability for it. True, but we've take cars apart all the time. So we know exactly what we're doing. And secondly, they'll say, hey, it's paint protection, not paint perfection. And that is true. But depending on how you set up and how you set the expectations, it's like, if you go along that basis, it's like, why own a Porsche when you could just own a Honda? Because it's just a car. We're not about just cutting a template, slapping it on and be good with it. We offer the highest quality to our customers, and there's a reason why people come back to us, and we go the extra mile to give you the best possible install. And you'll see with the results of this car and what it looks like when it's finished. So this concludes our work on this 911 Turbo. Just to recap of what we did, the car came in with a full body clear bra. We removed all the film. We painted the front lower spoiler that was damaged. We painted the intakes, the rear diffuser. We added the carbon mirrors and full body install. What we took the car apart, and if you looked at our before pictures during the install, you saw how the film was, you know, lots of dirt edges showing. So we eliminated as many of those as possible, tucked everything where we could. So now we've got a clean install. It's going to be protected for years to come. We'll take it outside and get some finals.